Hoover Dam, a National Historic Landmark just minutes off the Las Vegas Strip. Today we are visiting the dam named after President Herbert Hoover. Stick around to the end and I'll tell you how you can save $10 when visiting Hoover Dam. Hello, my name is Alfredo and this is Off the Strip, where I introduce you to places just minutes off the Las Vegas Strip. It's a great way to take a break, to take a few hours away from the crowds. If this is your first time to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. More information is listed below. Today we are visiting an engineering marvel, Hoover Dam. Built during the hard times of the Depression, Hoover Dam today is one of 7 civil engineering wonders in the nation, weighing 6.6 million tons, standing 726 feet tall from base to crest, and the towers add another 40 feet, the crest 45 feet wide, and the base 660 feet thick. Join me today as I explore this National Historic Landmark, Hoover Dam. Hoover Dam is a hydroelectric power station that can generate 4.2 billion kilowatt hours. The Michael Callahan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge, also known as the Bypass Bridge, opened in 2010. It's the first concrete steel composite arch bridge, and it's also the longest concrete arch in the Western Hemisphere. Folklore has it that it's lucky to rub the feet of these winged figures. $21,000 men worked on the construction of Hoover Dam. Depicted on this monument are the names of the high scalers that died during that construction. Ironically, or coincidentally, the first and last man that died were father and son. At the Hoover Dam, the Colorado River actually splits Nevada and Arizona. Hoover Dam was built in 1931 to tame the mighty Colorado River. It flooded the desert and Lake Mead was born. The dam is a concrete arch gravity type with 45,000 pounds of water pressure per square foot. The purpose of the dam is for power, flood control, irrigation, and water for both industrial and domestic uses. If you're drinking tap water at Disneyland or SeaWorld in Southern California, chances are it's from the Colorado River and Hoover Dam. How do you save $10 when you visit Hoover Dam? Easy. Drive across the dam to the Arizona side and there's a free parking lot. It's right here. Enjoy. Just off the Las Vegas Strip. Hoover Dam, a National Historic Landmark just off the Las Vegas Strip. Hoover Dam, a National Historic Landmark. In this video, 21,000 men worked on the construction of the first concrete steel composite bridge The Michael Callahan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge is the first, no, that's wrong too. The Michael Callahan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge, the first concrete steel composite bridge of its kind. That's wrong too.